Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to continue the chapter models. So we have read till shall, should, will, would, can, could, and shall, should. So now we will continue with may, might, and must. Now see, may is very important and it is frequently used in communication and even in writing. So I have written the rules. It is used in the following situations. The first situation is for permission. This is the well-known use. Okay. In maximum cases, may is used in permission. Like, may I come in, sir? May I come in? So this is a very nice use. Yes, you may. May is also used to give and take permission. You may have chocolates. You may have my pen. May I take your pen? Yes, you may. Yes, you may not. So this is the use of permission. Very nice use. You will also write one, two more use of may in homework assignment. I have given that. So permission is very much important. And in I have also explained, okay, in can is also used to used for the expression of permission, but may is more polite than can is little bit very formal. Next one, for possibility, means may is used in order to express the possibility. Like example, he may be at home, it may rain today, she may be working very hard in Delhi. Okay, so this is the use of may that shows possibility. You will write one example more of your own. For a wish and curse, for wish, so the most use of may is permission and also wish. Wish is also used always, okay, frequently using may. Like, may God bless you, I always write, okay, may God saves your life, may God save his life, may God grant you good health. This is the blessings, this is the wish, in sense of wish. Okay, in sense of curse, in sense of curse, may is also used. So I have curse sentence written. You will read this. Okay, I can't read it. May you die soon. This is the curse. May you met with an accident. May you go in hell. So these are the cursing sentences, but you will not write curse sentences. Only you write the wish sentences. Okay. Next one, for purpose. Now see, may is also used to express purpose in conditional sentences. Okay, see the conditional sentences I have given here. He works hard, that oblique, so that oblique, in order that he may succeed. Okay, so here that, so that, in order that, these all are showing condition. So after this, may is used. He is working very hard so that he may score 90% marks in his board exam. Got it? So that in order shows condition, and in conditional sentences may is used. So you also write in one conditional sentences. He is practicing regularly so that he may get selected in Indian team. Like this you write. Now note I have written, it may rain today, that is more probability, and it might rain today, less probability. May and might both are used in order to show probability, but may shows more probability than might. Like we have listened possibility or probability. Possibility means it may happen something like this. It may rain today, the train may be late, he may be at home. So this is probability and possibility. So may is showing more probability, okay, and might is showing less probability. In case of probability, might shows less probability. So that I have given here. Now we'll see in the use of might. It is used in the following situation. Might is used in a very limited situation. Instead of may, it is not many, it is may. Instead of may in the past tense, it was wrongly written in place of may. She said that her train might be late. Got it? So we have come to know about shall, and should is the past form of shall. Could is the past form of can. Might is the past form of may. So these are the past form. They don't have independent meanings, but sometimes they are independently used. So instead of may in the past tense, the second one is for less probability in the present, the PM's program might be cancelled. For less probability. Now, in order to show historical things, okay, or taking someone in confidence, like you might have heard the name of Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, like this. Might is also used in these cases. Must. The next one is must. It is used in the following situation. See, first one, for compulsion. You must apologize for your mistake. Compulsion is there. So must always shows potent compulsion. So must is used in sense of compulsion. The second one is necessity. Very important use. Necessity. We must eat to live. This is the necessity. The third one is for a strong instruction and suggestion. May is also used for instruction and suggestion. Like you must take medicine on time. When the instruction is very strong, must is used. This is a very fine use of must. Instruction and suggestion. Next one is for a strong probability. So must is also used to express strong probability, like he must be at home. So must is always come with might, okay, with power, with a strong desire, with a strong instruction, with a strong determination. I must do this, okay. She must leave the class. Like this kind of instruction is there, desire is there, okay, necessity is there. We must plant tree, okay. We must clean our environment. This is the necessity. We must stop pollution. This is the necessity. So these are the necessity sentences. Now certainty. Certainty. He must finish the work by tomorrow. When a person is very much certain and sure, so the use of must is used here. Homework assignment I have given. I am taking very slow, okay, and then I am giving you the worksheet. Fill in the blanks type question. You will have to use, okay, models. So once let me finish all the 13 models, and then I am giving you combined examples of all the models, and then I am asking you to just fill in the blanks, edit the passage, okay, from this chapter, and then only I will see how many of you have got the point that I have tried to explain in 3 or 4 explanation. So I have given you why I am telling you to just write down sentences only, so that you could get the idea that this particular model is used in this senses, okay, in the following senses, in order to express these situations. Like if I am giving you may and asking you to write down purpose, so where may is used in order to show purpose, in the conditional sentences, he is practicing very hard so that he may be selected. I am working very hard so that I may score good marks in my subject. You know, so purpose in conditional sentences we use may. Now permission is very easy. May I come in? May I take your pen? May I have your lunch box? This is the permission. May I take your water bottle? May I take your book for one day? So this is the permission this we are taking. Okay. May I have your sharpener? So many things are there we use, okay, in order to take permission. So you write down permission sentences. Something different you write, okay. If possible, write two sentences with purpose, permission, and then possibility. Possibility right now I have explained. It may rain today. Very nice example of possibility. Probability. She may be at home. India may win the match. Possibility. Probability. India may defeat the Australia. This is the possibility and probability. The train may be late. So this is the possibility, okay, and probability you write. Might. Same possibility. It might rain today. So less possibility, you write possibility. A strong possibility you write. Permission. Permission is not there in might. It is wrong, okay. I don't know how it was written. Permission is not there in might sentence. See, I have written might. Yes, permission, you'll write. Permission, you write in past tense. Yes, permission you may write in past tense, but permission is generally not taken in past tense. You leave that, okay. Permission you leave. I'll give you another one. Next one is must. Certainty. This is clear. When something is very much certain and sure, you must, she must, that is certainty. Necessity, we must plant tree. Compulsion, you must take medicine. Prohibition, you must not do this. So must is very much important, and you write down two sentences from must, two sentences from certainty, two sentences for necessity, two sentences for compulsion, and two sentences for prohibition. And for might, I am giving one more expression, okay, after editing this. And may, you have purpose, you write two sentence. Permission, you will write two sentence. Possibility, you will write two sentence, okay, in may. After this, we'll continue the next one, like ought to, dare, need, has, have, had to, and then I will give you the worksheet example, okay. First fill in the blanks and then edit the passage. Thank you very much. All the best. God bless you all.